Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download PyCharm IDE on your computer. So it is the best IDE for Python development. So if you want to download it, you have to open any web browser. So let me open here. So now here on the web browser, search here for the PyCharm download. Now you have to go to this first link of the JetBrains. Download PyCharm. So let's wait till the website is loading. So you can cut from here. So now here is a button, download. Now click on it. So here you can see downloading has been started. So it is of 906 MBs. So this can take a few seconds to a minute according to your internet speed. So let's wait till the downloading ends and then I will show you the installation steps. So let's wait. So as you can see here, PyCharm has been downloaded. Now double click it. So as you can see here, launcher has been launched. Now click on next. So here you have to choose the location where you want to install the PyCharm on your computer. So after choosing the location from here by clicking on browse, you can choose whichever folder you want. So I will let it be the default and then click on next. Now you have to tick mark this and this too. Also make sure to tick mark this too. And after that you have to restart your computer too. So now click on next. Now click on install. So here you can see the PyCharm is installing on my computer. So it can take a few seconds to minutes according to your PC configuration. So let's wait till the installation ends and then I will show you how can you open PyCharm on your computer. So as you can see here, PyCharm has been installed. It can take up to 2 to 3 minutes according to your PC configuration. So after the installation, click on finish. Now click on window key and then search here for the PyCharm. So here you can see PyCharm is showing. Now click on open to launch the PyCharm on your computer. So let's wait till the PyCharm is launching. So here you can see PyCharm 2026.2 is showing by JetBrains IDE. So here you can see PyCharm has been launched. So if any pop-up shows on your screen, click on yes or allow. You can skip the import if you don't want to import anything. So here you can see a new tab has been opened showing welcome to PyCharm. So from here you can open the file, make a new notebook, or you can also write a new script into Python. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how to use PyCharm for Python development or can say Python programming, you can let me know in the comments. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.